Today we are going to learn about mastering A/B test hypothesis formulation. We will explore crafting clear, actionable hypotheses for A/B testing to drive impactful experiments and improve decision-making skills.
Welcome to our journey into mastering A/B test hypothesis formulation. In this video, we'll delve into the art of crafting hypotheses that can transform A/B testing outcomes. A well-defined hypothesis is the cornerstone of any successful experiment, guiding both the testing process and subsequent decisions. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped to create clear and actionable hypotheses that lead to impactful experiments. Let's begin by understanding why hypotheses are crucial in A/B testing. A hypothesis in A/B testing is not just a formality, it's an essential element that defines the test's purpose. It sets clear expectations for what you aim to achieve or discover, which in turn forms the basis for analysis. Without a well-formulated hypothesis, the validity of your test results can be questionable, and you might end up making decisions based on flawed data. A hypothesis ensures that you're not just testing for the sake of testing but are actively seeking insights that can facilitate learning and drive strategic decisions. Let's explore how a hypothesis can serve as a foundation for meaningful results.
A strong hypothesis is both the backbone and the compass of your A/B test. It needs to be clear and concise, leaving no room for ambiguity. The hypothesis should be testable with the data you have at your disposal, meaning it should include both independent and dependent variables that are specific and measurable. Moreover, it must have relevance to your business goals. For instance, if you're testing a new website design, your hypothesis might predict an increase in conversion rates based on the changes. It's not enough to simply predict an outcome, you need to specify what that outcome is and how it links back to your overarching objectives. In A/B testing, understanding the difference between the null and alternative hypotheses is crucial. The null hypothesis represents the default assumption that there is no effect or change. In contrast, the alternative hypothesis suggests that there is a change or effect. The purpose of hypothesis testing is to determine which hypothesis the data supports. Statistical significance plays a key role here, as it helps decide whether the observed effect is likely due to chance or represents a true difference. The outcome of this comparison is what drives decision-making, guiding you on whether to implement changes based on your test. To formulate effective hypotheses, it's essential to leverage data. This involves identifying trends and patterns within your existing data to inform your hypothesis. Historical data provides a foundation upon which you can build your predictions. Both quantitative and qualitative data sources are valuable here. While numbers can show trends, qualitative insights can reveal underlying reasons. By grounding your hypotheses in data, you enhance their relevance, ensuring they are not only testable but also aligned with real-world behavior and business needs. This approach increases the likelihood of your tests yielding actionable insights. While crafting hypotheses, several common pitfalls can undermine your A/B testing efforts. One major issue is formulating vague or overly broad hypotheses that lack the specificity needed to drive clear outcomes. Ignoring previous data can lead to redundant tests or missed insights. A lack of specificity can result in ambiguous results that are difficult to interpret. Overlooking the impact on the user experience is another common mistake. What may seem like a minor change could have significant effects on user engagement. Lastly, failing to align your hypothesis with broader business goals can render your test outcomes irrelevant to decision-making.
Examining examples of both effective and poor hypotheses can be incredibly instructive. A strong hypothesis might state, changing the call to action button color from red to green will increase the click-through rate by 10% over 1 month. This is specific, measurable, and actionable. In contrast, a weak hypothesis might be, changing the website layout will improve user engagement. This lacks specificity and clear metrics for measurement. The impact of these hypotheses on testing outcomes is significant. While the former can guide a focused and meaningful test, the latter may lead to ambiguous results. By learning from these examples, you can refine your own hypothesis formulation skills. The iterative refinement of hypotheses is a key component of successful A/B testing. After running a test, it's crucial to learn from the outcomes and adjust your hypotheses accordingly. This iterative process improves the validity of your hypotheses and ensures they remain relevant as conditions change. Incorporating feedback from initial test results can lead to more precise hypotheses in subsequent tests. Continuous improvement is the goal. As you refine your hypotheses, your testing becomes more sophisticated, leading to deeper insights and more impactful business decisions.
Integrating hypotheses into your overall testing strategy ensures that each test is not an isolated endeavor but part of a coordinated effort towards your business objectives. Aligning hypotheses with your testing strategy ensures they remain relevant and impactful. Coordination with team efforts and ensuring everyone is aligned on the objectives of testing is crucial. Tracking the impact of each hypothesis helps refine strategies and guide strategic decision-making. By embedding hypotheses into your broader testing strategy, you create a cohesive approach that maximizes the value of each experiment. To enhance your hypothesis testing, leverage analytics tools and statistical methods. Various A/B testing platforms provide robust features for setting up and analyzing tests. Understanding statistical methods is crucial for interpreting data correctly, ensuring your conclusions are valid. These tools and techniques enhance your ability to test hypotheses effectively, providing the insights necessary to drive business decisions. By utilizing the right tools, you can ensure that your hypothesis testing is both efficient and insightful, leading to more informed strategic decisions.
Let's explore a real-world case study where effective hypothesis formulation led to successful A/B testing outcomes. In this example, a company hypothesized that simplifying their website's navigation would increase conversion rates. The hypothesis was specific, measurable, and aligned with business goals. After implementing the changes and conducting the test, the company observed a 15% increase in conversions, validating their hypothesis. The lessons learned here can be applied in other contexts, showcasing the power of well-formulated hypotheses in driving positive business outcomes.
As we conclude this session on mastering A/B test hypothesis formulation, let's recap the key learnings. Crafting strong hypotheses is crucial for meaningful test outcomes and strategic decision-making. Continuous improvement through iterative refinement and leveraging data ensures your hypotheses remain relevant and impactful. We encourage you to apply these skills in real-world testing scenarios, continually refining your approach as you gain new insights. Keep practicing, and you'll become adept at formulating hypotheses that drive successful experiments and informed business decisions.